Hey guys, and welcome to another Platform Builder tutorial. This is page 8 of the manual. We're going to talk about a really neat feature, the ability to add secret exits, which you can use to reveal hidden pathways and special levels in your overworlds. So let's get started. Perhaps the best way to explain secret exits is to show them to you in action. So check this out. I have this game right here. I'm going to start a new file. And as you can see, the overworld is quite straightforward. We see two course icons, one leading to the next. The colors are a bit different because I'm using some lighting effects to make the game look a little more interesting. When I go into the first course, we have an exit sign. So let's complete the level. And as expected, we can now move into the next course. However, there's something we missed in the first level, so let's go back there. Now you may have noticed that the exit sign isn't shaped like an arrow. The item is of a different subcategory. It is not a directional exit sign pointing to the left or the right, so when the character reaches the sign, he won't do the little thing where he starts to walk off screen as the course fades out. But more importantly, non-directional exit signs allow you to jump over them. So here I am playing this game. I see a down arrow pointing that way. I'm intrigued. Let's go check it out. The first thing we notice is that the exit music is a little different. That's interesting. And now, back in the overworld, a new secret pathway is revealed, opening the way to a hidden bonus level icon. Pretty cool. Let's exit out and take a look at how this worked. Here in the overworld, we see the dirt pathway trailing down from the first level icon. Although it's difficult to see, this pathway goes underneath the trees, and it goes all the way to the bonus icon down here. Now this entire route is covered by a bluish, semi-transparent secret pathway. You'll find it up here under Hidden Paths. This pathway begins next to a level icon, not on top of it, but next to it, and goes down over the path, over the bonus icon, and all over these trees. Hidden pathways do several things. First, they hide paths and level icons. So if I test this overworld, we see that the paths and the bonus icon are invisible. Second, they remove any obstacles and reveal their paths and level icons once they are triggered. In this case, they clear away the trees and reveal the paths and bonus icon that they hid. Secret pathways are triggered when they are next to a level icon that is completed via secret exit, and they will start a chain reaction triggering any other secret paths which they are touching. If I remove this piece here, then my secret exit will clear away the trees and reveal most of the path, but it won't reach the bonus icon. Plus, I'll have a weird piece of unhidden pathway sitting right there down by those trees. So make sure it's all connected. Now, secret pathways are revealed by secret exits. What is a secret exit? Great question, thanks for asking. It's just a special way you can complete a course. I'll press L, the hotkey for the level manager, go back into Area 1. And as you know, there are two possible ways to complete this course. You could touch the sign, or you could fall down this hole. If I go to the area settings, under Area Goals, we see the first goal, to find the exit sign, completes the course, and the second goal, to reach the far bottom, does a secret exit. This is the exact same thing as completing a course, but the music is a bit different, as you heard, and it will trigger any secret pathways that come out of the completed course icon. One thing you'll want to know about secret pathways is that when they clear away things like trees or walls or whatever, it works as if you were deleting them from the overworld editor with the Smart tool enabled. So stuff is going to reform a little bit to help everything look good. But don't forget that certain things like these trees, for instance, are not meant to be less than 2 units thick. So as you carve out secret pathways, make sure you keep that in mind. I wouldn't want a path coming down here, turning like this, because that would end up looking visually poor. Now, in addition to secret exit paths, you also have non-secret exit paths. These special pathways are triggered when you complete a course the normal way, and not through a secret exit. I use them with the first course icon of the example file. You also have secret path starting points, and these items will trigger either type of hidden pathway just by stepping over it. So it basically works like a completed level icon. Just keep in mind that it only works when you're actually playing through your game. One more thing to know about hidden paths is that although they reveal pathways and clear out barriers, there doesn't need to be a pathway or barrier underneath for it to trigger. So I could lay down a hidden path that leads out a little ways to another bonus icon. And if I play the game and step over the invisible secret path starting point, it still works as long as it's all connected. So there you go. That is Secret Pathways in Platform Builder. The next tutorial is going to talk about uploading your own sounds and graphics. I'll see you there.